Somebody's in a cleaning mood today.
Yep. The weather is so dark. It's been raining every day. Cannot go out anywhere. We just ordered the caramel macchiato frap and tiramisu frap. There you go. So grocery time again, guys. Ito, empanada, 120. Good evening, everybody. This is our food for tonight. I make tapsilog for Mr. Gustavo, and mine is vegetables and bangus fish. It's my food. I just put the bangus on the top, guys, because I just took this one from downstairs. It's their food earlier. Pinaksiw na bangus and lauwi, laswa.
I've got kitchen washing duty today.
Yes, and he's washing the dishes while I'm cooking. Yes, that's his food. Look at that. Beef tapa with egg. Nice.
Yummy.
Yes.
First time we try this one.
Yes.
It's from SNR actually.
Yes. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Still drying because it's still wet. Just clean up. Set. Done. Clean. Guys, need more gym here.
Yes, we need to fill the space a bit more.
Yes, not enough.
You can't get a bigger chest piece, so we need to put something else in.
Yes. And then I put it in there so I'm resting, so the aircon so the aircon is blown there.
Wow.
And actually wanted to do TikTok, but it's okay.
What? You wanted to?
No, it's fine.
You want to exercise?
Tomorrow. That's medyo close it. Very close the thing. And that's our simple life here in Cabatuan. Some of my shoes is still wet. Some others are still downstairs. It's so dark. The weather is so dark. It's been raining every day. Cannot go out anywhere. It's always raining, guys. Okay. What you do? Oh, you do exercise.
No.
You do exercise. Yes. Do it. I video you exercising.
No, I'm done now. Too late.
To check some of my flowers. Oh, actually the buds is the rose actually opening now. So some buds more. This one also needs to open. And then look at that, it's so pretty.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yes, but I still didn't finish wash some of it.
There's crazy weather this.
I need to clean up also this window. Oh, this one is dirty. This one I can reach. This one I can reach. Okay.
Somebody's in a cleaning mood today.
Yep. Oh, it's tiring. Nice with a clean house.
Nice, yeah. It's very neat.
Yes, I like my house clean.
No, I do not, because somebody might walk in here and steal our shoes. Our valuable shoes.
No.
Your collection and mine.
I still have downstairs, not yet. You want secretly? See, Karen, why you don't want?
Stop sneaking up on me. Our cat from the neighbors is staring at us. So cute. Hello. Hey. Oh.
So butterfly.
Hi. Yeah. Oh, it's distracted by the butterfly. Hello.
I like to stay there. Morning, and we are here again in Robinson because we don't have electricity there in Cabatuan.
Yeah, unannounced. They cut off electricity for the whole day.
Yep. So we need to go to coffee break so we can have a Wi-Fi there because Gustav needs to work. Yeah.
So we are escaping once
Yes. Work.
again. Yeah, they have Wi-Fi there.
Yes, it's nice there to sit down. It's not so crowded
The
there.
net worked on my phone, but somehow it's also not working
Yes.
today. For some unknown reason.
It's okay, just
So,
try in here.
all systems are down today.
Yep. At least it's not so packed this side, right?
Yeah, this one should be okay.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, there's nobody
Here again. Technical support expert for our sales program. Earned 6,000. Oh.
Oh,
What is happening? Oh, okay. Yeah, everybody is working in here. There's no electricity. Be careful. Oh, I think it's not allowed. Is it allowed?
reserve.
Pwede? Reserve? Oh, it's reserved.
Jesus.
That's why they covered it. Oh, may table pa na ano? Oh. Is it okay?
No, it doesn't say reserve. So.
Yeah, it doesn't say reserved. So that's the other side is reserved, huh?
Yeah.
Finally, we found one. We just ordered the caramel macchiato frap and tiramisu frap. There you go. And Gustav is inside Rob because there's no internet in here. So many people using the Wi-Fi, so the internet is so slow. So guys, we're here now inside of Robinson because the internet and coffee break is not that strong. We cannot get in.
Can't even get into it. Yes.
Yeah, so we just ordered this one.
There's a lot of people working there. Maybe that's influencing the internet. It doesn't. You know, they give you a code on your slip. You have to pay for a drink first. Then they give you a code for the internet. And then when we try it, it doesn't work. So just walk away with the coffee.
Yeah.
Free internet inside the mall here. That's working.
Yeah, this is better here.
So it's better here now.
So, we are here again, our favorite mall. This is nice in here. There's a free Wi-Fi in here. So, empanada, 120. Oh, this looks nice because I saw it a lot inside.
And there's also lumpia.
Wow, and lumpia also. How much is lumpia?
How much is the lumpia? 1 to 20. But that is nice.
Yeah,
Should
this
try
big.
that.
Two.
Yeah, 2 of those.
Dua amon ga.
You
Ha? Take out lang naman. Duro uno dyan ka dyan.
it's all the same ingredients. Same filling. Okay.
Okay.
Wow.
That one I saw, it's so nice inside. So many. Look at that. Wow. Ooh.
That's like bean sprouts and then
Yes,
some
papaya, and some meat. Looks nice. And then
120.
one egg. Wow.
Oh wow, that's a bonus.
Oh. Same size tanan ga. Oh. It's our first time eating the Iloilo City vegan empanada. It's very famous now in Philippines, so
Yeah.
you must try it, right? Yes, it's so
we've
good.
always
Look at
wanted to
that.
try it.
Wow.
Keep walking past here.
Diyan do, mag-uga. Pwede dyan? Ginapa-drain pa lang. Okay, sure. Wow. May amo kami ka dyan sa balay mo. Dua kabilog nga ano. Grabe, magaling mga.
Chain?
Kurente. Oo, grabe. Kay dasig lang ang ano, prito. Kaya dati may restaurant kami amo magamit na mo dua.
That one.
Yeah, ours is double.
What do you mean double?
The one air fryer, the one we have, the deep fryer we have, double.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wow. You buy in here, guys. They're in Robinson, Pavia. Wow. The garlic. Ooh, may aswang. So guys, we need miss eating here in Jollibee. So we are here now because it's raining again.
Jollibee got us eventually.
Yes, it's yummy. This one. This is the spicy.
Yeah, it's actually nice.
Spicy one. We choose the spicy one. It's
Spicy
yummy.
for a
Right?
rainy day.
Yes, raining. Oh, it's raining, so we cannot vlog outside.
Yeah, we can't go anywhere.
Yes, and plus there's no electricity. Hi.
Yeah, apparently
Annoying.
our electricity has come back at home, so we can go home after this.
Yep. Yay! I can sleep and you can work.
Yeah, how's that? It's for a balance.
Yes. Bon appetit.
Cheers, bon appetit.
So grocery time again, guys. Look at that. We are here in Robinson's supermarket. Then groceries every day. Because Gustavo eat a lot.
Excuse me?
Excuse me?
What?
Yeah.
So earlier today we stopped in Robinson Mall and we bought these super yummy.
Ilocos empanada. Oh my god, it's so crunchy, guys.
Yeah,
Look at that.
really good.
Ooh, it's so big.
It's like 3 different fillings inside, as you saw earlier in the video. So we just reheated it in the air fryer to make it crispy again. And you can see it's super yummy. So we're definitely going to go back there. That's our dinner. We've got a bit of corn here, but this is plenty. And they've got a little sauce on the side here, like a vinegar sauce, vinaigrette. Yum, yum, yum.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.